this is just the first step, and it's been targeted at the tallow, which is one of our big problem invasive species here at the Coastal Center. Aerial spraying is really good under certain circumstances. They're good when you have an extremely dense, closely packed stand of tall trees that cannot be reached from the ground. The tallow species is certainly it's considered an invasive exotic, and of course it's not the only one, but it basically takes center stage down here in the southeast. Coastal prairie restoration is not an event such as what happened during our aerial spraying. It is not a single event, it is a process over time, simply because every step that you take in restoration actually affects what's on the ground and actually informs you what you have to do next. I think the proof is going to be in the spring, when the trees would be leafing out again.